A complete toolkit is ready for your job. Start this KIMO oscillating tool and cut the wood or nail with confidence. Upgraded copper motor and 20 volts 2.0 lithium battery produce continuous power like a monster on your material. Incising a wood effortless, just like using a knife through butter. Design and cordless lets you easily control any piece of work. 3 degrees oscillating angle balances the speed and efficiency, making every juice in the battery provide excellent performance. Max 21,000 OPM and 6-speed of option oscillating tool speed up the polishing or sanding work as needed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. LED light. The built-in LED light is designed perfectly for the dark environment working. It can light up automatically while you turn on the oscillating tool. Number 2. 3 degrees oscillation angle. It's not easy to recognize the difference while cutting with different oscillating angles. KIMO does. Small angle provides greater motivation, while larger angles can cut a more straight line more easily. KIMO chooses a 3-degree oscillating angle to balance the speed and efficiency, helping to cut the wood with more confidence and fewer mistakes. It's easier to get the cutting done at a faster speed with less effort. Number 3. Universal interface. KIMO oscillating tool has great compatibility in blades, as long as the blades can be stuck by the 6 short tiny nails. The blades are suitable for this oscillating tool. KIMO blades meet all the necessities of cutting, scraping, or sanding for home improvement. Other brands of WorkPro, Petchem, VTopMart, Diagtree, Binoso are also compatible with KIMO oscillating tool. Number 4. 6-speed position and max 21,000 OPM. KIMO oscillating tool is well designed in 6 variable speeds for different demands. The motor idle speed ranges 0 to 21 R per minute. Different speeds can help cutting or sand in different materials with caution. Let's firstly choose a lower speed for cutting a groove first, then increase the speed for cutting. Max 21,000 OPM enables the polishing or sanding at ease than other tools. Number 5. Safe and quick change accessory system. Safety is the most first factor in the job. KIMO provides a convenient quick change system for blade changing at work and a thoughtful locking bracket under the clamping lever, which makes sure the safe for you. KIMO not only makes the tool easier for users and increases efficiency, but also makes sure that safety is always the first place for tool use. Number 6. 2-position handle for optimal control. KIMO cordless oscillating tool features a dual-position auxiliary handle, providing increased comfort with a sturdy feel and more precise control when working with various materials from different angles. Number 7. Ergonomic soft grip. With the design of portable, convenient, and comfortable, the cordless oscillating tool can virtually do it all. The soft rubberized grip and vibration control handle decrease fatigue on jobs, whether you want to roam around your workshop or need to be able to carry your drill on the go. This cordless one is a fantastic choice to have in your toolbox. Number 8. Ultra-fast charger. Tired of batteries worn out in just a few charges? KIMO has been working with industry experts for decades and optimized its batteries to be one of the most durable ones, providing 1,000 charge cycles and 33% more capacity over standard packs. This kit comes with a rapid charger, which tops off an empty battery in an impressive 60 minutes. Number 9. Cordless for ultimate convenience. Would you feel troublesome for the awkward places where power outlets are not always nearby? No worries. Designed with the cordless feature, the KIMO battery-powered oscillating tool is a real lifesaver in tight spaces. Powered with a 2.0 Li-ion battery, more convenient than a wire oscillating tool, it works great to get into hard-to-reach places, especially when trying to cut wood and nails to repair wood rot on the roof. No need to deal with the hassle of pull cords, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this oscillating multi-tool work with all 20 volts batteries? Answer: all of KIMO's 20 volts tools. They can share the batteries and chargers, but only in the same volt. Question number 2. What size sanding sheet does this take? Answer: there is a 15 PCS sanding sheet included. Question number 3. What's the warranty? Answer: 2-year hassle-free warranty of the manufacturer. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.